Oh my God!
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it.
Alright guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sunny Media. If this is your first time in this channel, my name is Sunny. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. So it's raining guys, and I'm outside trying to enjoy what we have been enjoying when we were small. I remember when we were small we used to do this. Oh my god, do you do this kind of thing guys? It's raining guys. This is part of I enjoyed this when I was small guys. So I just say let me remember myself what I did those days. And I'm enjoying.
This one is shower from heaven. When we were in the village those days, and when it's raining like this, everybody will come out to put all his things, all his things in the room. Obi is a boy. Obi is no longer a girl, but at times refresh our memory. If you remember, remember the time where we would always do this kind of thing. Oh my God! Who among you that have done this kind of thing? Who among you that did this kind of thing when you were small? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Hey, God, for this one, Banguru, Nazo, Mama, Gani. Some people will be, one person will be using cane to running around the front people. If you look behind, they'll throw the cane, or if they throw the cane beside you like this, you will get up and you get up like this and start running away again like this. You'll be looking at the people standing, so you just throw the thing like this, thumb. If you run, the other person will no, then you sit down like this. This is Africa. We are doing it in African way. So I want to see your comments. Did you do this kind of thing in the village when it's raining like this? People will just come out. Hey, this thing is sleeping here. It's stopping little by little. So, but if you look at the sky, the whole thing is, the sky is still somehow like to still rain. The tears is still there. The tears never dry from the sky, so it's going to rain again. All this is papa. All this is papa. So guys, this is the end of this video. So you do this kind of thing when you were in the village, when you were small? Let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Bye.